You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Markets are expecting a difficult opening on Wednesday, after Asian stocks came under pressure. The sharp growth of securities in the field of artificial intelligence has again encountered difficulties, which has increased negative sentiment in global markets. Stock futures in the United States and Europe fell, while MSCI indices covering the Asia-Pacific region excluding Japan and Japan's Nikkei showed the worst performance since August 5. September is traditionally considered a bad month for stock markets, and investors in the United States do not seem to abandon this trend. The return to trading after the Labor Day celebration on Wall Street was accompanied by a sharp drop in indices. There is no specific fundamental reason for the latest collapse. Among the possible factors are weak data on the U.S. manufacturing sector, an unstable economic recovery in China, and record sales of Nvidia shares, which lost $279 billion in value. In commodity markets, declining global demand has led to a drop in oil prices to a 9-month low. However, against this background, the U.S. dollar remains relatively stable in pairs with the most liquid currencies. The turbulence in the markets may continue, especially in anticipation of data on the number of vacancies in the United States, which will be published on Wednesday. However, investors' main attention is focused on Friday's report on employment in the U.S. non-agricultural sector, which may affect the size of the expected interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve. And now to the crypto market. Bitcoin started the week with negative dynamics, against the background of falling stock markets, which put pressure on the price. Over the past 7 days, Bitcoin has lost 6.5% of its value, and on September 3, the decline continued amid falling indices. Markets also showed a drop on September 3 after the Bank of Japan hinted at a possible further increase in interest rates. This situation reminded market participants of the events of the end of July, when an increase in the base interest rate by the Bank of Japan caused the curtailment of transactions using the yen and led to the destabilization of risky assets, including Bitcoin. Demand for Bitcoin among retail investors has been declining since falling from an all-time high, while large holders continue to accumulate positions. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.